Hi guys, welcome to Shield's Cooking. Today we're going to make a glazed tart. You've probably seen them all around the internet, but it's really hard to find a nice tutorial, so I decided to make one myself. It's gonna be passion fruit flavored with some coconut and some mint. So, let's begin.
Start by putting 50 grams of butter in a bowl together with 80 grams of icing sugar. Mix this till fluffy. Once fluffy, add 40 grams of egg yolk, 120 grams of flour, 6 grams of baking powder and 2 grams of salt. Mix this till it's a smooth dough. Then transfer it into a silicone sheet and put another sheet on top. Roll this till it's about 3 mm thick and then bake it at 160 degrees Celsius till golden. After that, cut it into the desired shape. Now pour 360 grams of coconut milk in a pan with 80 grams of ginger syrup, 50 grams of sugar, 5 grams of agar powder and 20 leaves of fresh mint. Mix this and then bring it to a boil. Once it has boiled, put it through a sieve and let this cool down completely in your fridge. After that, blender it into a smooth gel. Now put the coconut gel on the biscuit and spread this evenly. Let this freeze for at least 1 hour. Meanwhile, cut 10 passion fruits in half and scrape out the seeds. Press the juice out of the seeds for 250 grams of juice. Also add 50 grams of sugar, 60 grams of egg yolk and 25 grams of cornstarch. Mix this. Then let 6 grams of gelatin soak in cold water. Now cook the passion fruit mixture to the desired thickness. Once thickened, dissolve your gelatin and then transfer it into a bowl. Cover this with plastic foil and keep it at room temperature. Now pour 100 grams of sugar in a pan with 40 grams of water. Heat this up till it's 118 degrees Celsius. Meanwhile, pour 80 grams of egg white in a bowl and start beating it when the sugar is at 110 degrees Celsius. Then add 10 grams of sugar and once fluffy peaks have formed, slowly add your hot sugar mixture. Beat this for around 5 minutes. Now measure 120 grams of the meringue and add 1/4 of the passion fruit custard. Fold this in. Then add the remaining custard and also fold this in. Now put it in a piping bag. Then cut the biscuit with 2 round cutters into the desired size. Now pipe the passion fruit chiboust in a round mold and press the biscuit in as well. Flatten this out with a palette knife. Now let this freeze for at least 6 hours. Meanwhile, pour 100 grams of flour in a bowl together with 50 grams of icing sugar, 60 grams of almond powder, 100 grams of butter, 20 grams of beaten egg and 2 grams of salt. Knead this into a nice ball of dough. Then cover it with plastic foil and let it set in your fridge. After that, place it in between 2 silicone sheets and roll this till it's around 3 mm thick. Then remove the top layer and cut it with 2 round cutters. Bake this at 170 degrees Celsius till golden. Now pour 350 grams of glucose in a pan and also add 270 grams of water and 250 grams of sugar. Bring this to a boil and then soak 18 grams of gelatin in cold water. Then dissolve the gelatin in the boiling sugar water and mix in 200 grams of condensed milk. Now mix this with 300 grams of white chocolate and then blender it till fully emulsified. Then divide it in 3 batches of 450 grams. Color this with your chosen color powder and then mix it once more. Now pour this at the same time in a measuring cup and shortly mix this. And then pour it on your frozen passion fruit rings from the middle to the outside and back. And now carefully place the glazed chiboust on your sable rings and then they're ready to be served.
Okay guys, that's it for today. I hope you've enjoyed the video. So like it, share it and subscribe if you want to see more. Bon appétit!